I was doing a documentary for a French channel, French TV, and then I was waiting for an intervention in the fire station. Then I received a call, and they told me there was this shootings, and I started shooting, and then everything went really fast, and they heard there was a second shooting. And we left the fire station to go to the place. When I arrived there, I was following one fireman, and it was a horrible place. And I knew this was a historic moment for France, and it was shocking. It was shocking for me, and it was shocking for the guys I was following. Everybody was screaming. Everybody was screaming for help, and there were dead people everywhere. My job was to make pictures of the scene, and when I was doing that, I saw once the eyes of a dead guy looking at me. So. You stop, but you have to keep on. You have to keep on doing your job and report what you see. There was this guy. He was celebrating the birthday of one of his sister, and the shots started. And a few seconds later, he saw many of his friends dead, and his two sisters were hit. He realized soon that one of his sisters was dead, and the other was still breathing. So he fought for 2 hours so as she could be helped by the firemen. And he yelled, and he did everything he could. I don't know what this woman became, but that day was her birthday. I hope that my country is gonna stay united. I hope that my country will overthrow this catastrophe with dignity.